Ang santo na tumalo sa Avengers. Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng. Magkape't pandasal muna tayo. We know the Avengers. Iron Man, Captain America, Hulk, Thor, Black Widow, and Hawkeye. Superhero sila sa Marvel Universe. But can you name the saint who defeated an Avenger? Kwentuhan ko kayo. Si Saint Boniface came from pagan ancestry but was born in England during the 7th century when the kingdom had already been Christianized. He was raised as a Catholic and was inspired by missionary monks to leave his family and move to a Benedictine monastery. He was later ordained as a priest and felt a strong missionary call to evangelize Germanic pagans. According to legend, Boniface, who was already a bishop, wanted to show how powerless the gods of these pagans were. So he took an axe and struck a sacred oak tree dedicated to Thor, the god of thunder. After he axed the tree, a strong wind blew and the tree fell. The pagans were in awe that no lightning bolt from Thor's hand struck Boniface. Boniface then took the oak wood and built a chapel in honor of Saint Peter. Astig, di ba? When it comes to superheroes, nothing can beat our superheroes of faith. They are ordinary people like you and me, but because they allow God's power to work through them, they accomplish mighty deeds. Let's follow in their footsteps so that God can use us too to accomplish His work here on earth. Tayo magdasal. Lord, use me as your instrument to save others by your power and for your glory. Amen.